Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites, dock firmware current, and your computer supports USB-C power and data. Plug the dock into mains with the supplied adapter so it has stable 60W plus power. This prevents brownouts when peripherals spin up. Next, connect the dock to your host using a certified USB-C cable into the host's full-speed port, not a power-only port. Once done, power lights will stabilize. That tells you the dock has negotiated power and initial USB/PD handshakes. With the dock powered and connected, slide your drive into the bay until the latch clicks and the bay LED turns steady. This verifies SATA is engaged. On the host, accept any driver or vendor app prompts. These enable features like hot swap and firmware updates. If using network or Thunderbolt modes, go into System Settings to permit device access and enable sharing protocols. Make sure the drive is formatted or mounted if needed. This step ensures the OS can read and write reliably. Finish by verifying the drive appears in Disk Utility or Device Manager and run a quick health or surface check to ensure integrity. Transfer a small test file and confirm speeds match expectations. This validates both data and power paths. When finished, unmount or safely eject from the OS, then power down the dock before physically removing the drive. If the dock isn't recognized, power cycle the dock and host, try a different certified USB-C cable, and install the latest dock firmware. That resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.